Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. I'm going to do a quick overview on our futures trading course. You'll see back here, this is our member site. Under education, you'll see trading courses, and then you'll see several different courses that you'll get access to, but I'll go over the futures one for now. So when you click on the futures course, you'll see start course. Once you click on this button here, you'll come over to the different videos. You'll see it's broken down by get started, charts, and the different trading strategies. So you'll see things like basics, micro futures, margin and buying power, hours, chart setup, ticks versus points, the charts, supply and demand, and also the different trading strategies. To gain access to our futures trading course and our other courses and services such as our trade rooms, our alerts, and our watch list and Discord, you'll click on this Get Started button at the top of the page here, or you can click on this Get Started button on the side banner of our futures trading course page. You could also click on the Join button at the top of the page. If you click either of those buttons, it'll bring you over to our membership plans. You'll choose the plan that's right for you. Once you sign up and become a member, you'll get access to our futures trading course and all of our services.